You want to learn how to make authentic Jamaican rice and peas? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Look at this. Nice and shelly. To the pot, I'm going to add 8 cups of water. This is 2 cups. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Now put the pot on the stove. Turn it on. Here, I have 1.5 cup of red peas. Going to wash it. To the pot, add the peas. 5 cubes of garlic. Add pimentos. 1 teaspoon sea salt. Now I'm going to allow the peas to cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I'm going to cover it up. Now it's 45 minutes since the peas been cooking on the stove. The water dry out. I'm going to add 2 more cups of water to it. Going to cover it up for another 15 minutes. It's already 15 minutes. Check if them cook. So them already cooked. See, they mash out. Cover the pot. Now I'm going to break the coconut and blend it to get the coconut milk. If you cannot get the fresh coconut, you still can use the coconut milk from the can. You just want to cut it up small so you don't jam the blender when you start to blend it. Now I'm going to blend it to the blender. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Now I'm going to squeeze out the coconut milk. So this is the coconut milk. Now I'm going to add it to the peas. This is 2.5 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to cover it up for it to come back to a boil. Alright, now we come to a boil. I'm going to season it up now. So I already cooked the peas with salt. So I'm going to season the pot now with fresh thyme, pepper, scallions, and some of my all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to tenderize the scallions them for them to release the flavor. Just like this. Now add scallion to the pot, thyme, and the peppers. I'm not going to make the peppers burst, okay? 1/2 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to measure the rice, okay? Remember, this video is for beginners who just start learn to cook, okay? So don't ask me why I measure my rice. I get that in my next video. Don't ask me that. Alright, right here is 2 cups in one measuring cup. So I'm going to need 4 cups, okay? Which is 2 of this. That's 2. 4. Now I'm going to wash the rice. I'm going to wash the rice till the water come clear. So this is how your rice water is supposed to clear after you wash your rice. Alright, going to add the rice. So I don't need to take out none of the peas water, just an inch over the rice. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to cover it up. So I turn the stove on low for 15 minutes. It is already 15 minutes since the rice been steaming. Now I'm going to fluff the rice. But before I fluff the rice, I'm going to take out the pepper them. I don't want them burst. Always ensure to fluff your rice with a fork, okay? Don't use spoon. Spoon dig into the rice and make the rice come out soft, okay? Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam for the next 5 minutes. So here you have it, authentic Jamaican rice and peas. So I have in mind with some avocado. Let me know in the comment what you like your rice and peas with.